Hey, what's up everybody? I hope you all are doing absolutely fine. This is Rudraditya, and in this video I am going to do the unboxing of this newly launched Samsung Galaxy Buds 2, and then I will give my first impressions about this product. Well, I am also using the Samsung Galaxy Watch 4. I have both this Samsung Galaxy Watch 4 as well as the Watch 4 Classic, and the videos of this are already live on my channel, so make sure to watch this as well after watching this. But before doing the unboxing, I would love to talk about the history of Samsung's TWS products. So first, they launched this original Samsung Galaxy Buds in March 2019, and yes, I have been also using this from last more than 2 years. I bought this at the launch, and after that they launched the Samsung Galaxy Buds Plus on 14th Feb or 11th Feb 2020, which was the successor of this original Buds. And now the Samsung Galaxy Buds 2 is the successor of that Samsung Galaxy Buds Plus. But point to be note that they launched the original Buds at 10,000 rupees, then they launched the Buds Plus at 12,000 rupees. So there was a 2,000 increase in price, but I am glad that this time they launched the Buds 2 at the same price of 12,000 rupees. This time they didn't increase the price. Well, there was one more Samsung TWS, which is the Samsung Galaxy Buds Pro, which is the best TWS by Samsung. And then there is Samsung Galaxy Buds Live as well, which falls between this and the Buds Pro. Well, the Buds Pro is best, but why? I mean, you will get overall a better sound quality, better ANC, and better IP certification as compared to Buds 2, and also there are some more extra rich features which is absent here. But if your budget is tight, if you don't want to spend 15,000-16,000 rupees for Buds Pro, then I guess 12,000 rupees the Buds 2 is a very good option if you're looking for a Samsung TWS. Now let's do the unboxing. I already opened the seal, so without wasting any time, let's do the unboxing here. And it's a very simple and clean unboxing experience. There's not a lot of contents in, of course, a TWS box. Well, first up we will get this Samsung's case. Well, the design signature of this case is really good. However, this is not a very fresh design. We saw this in earlier TWS of Samsung as well, but I personally like this design a lot. And if we open, then here you will get again from inside again. I like this design, but this is not a new design, as I already told you. Well, let's see this earbuds. All right, so this looks very attractive, although it's plastic, but still it feels very good, and overall it looks very premium. But apart from that, let me see what else we got inside the box. All right, so there is a charging cable and some extra ear tips. So that's nice that they added some extra silicone tips here. Now let's keep aside all these things and let's talk about this earbuds. So first let's try the fitting test, and I'm going to keep it in my ear. All right, so straight away I can feel that the fitting is so nice. The grip on inside the ear is good, so I'm getting a confidence, like even if I run and shake my head, the earbuds are not going to fall off from my ears. Let's do a test, an extreme test. No guys, it's still in the ear. So fitting is fabulous. Same goes for the original Galaxy Buds as well, but damn, the fittings are just so good. So guys, the fitting is A1 and the pre-applied silicone tip is just fine for me. And now guys, let me listen some music and then I will come back to you to share my experience. Well guys, if you talk about the design, then they are very lightweight and very small in size, so that's why it fits very well inside your ears, and they just weigh 5 grams each, And if we talk about the weight of the case, then it's 41.2 grams. So overall the case is also very portable, very small, so you can easily fit in your pockets without any problem. It's not very huge, so that's a very good point. Also you will get a USB type C port, so again that's great. And then you will get a LED indicator in the front for the charging, and also when you open the lid of the case you can see a indicator inside the case as well. So the overall design is actually very good. Well, I already told you that Buds Pro has some advantages over the Buds 2 in the early part of the video, but it's also the fact that there are a lot of similarities. The specifications are a lot similar in a lot of ways, so that's also point to be note. But now if you talk about the IP certification, guys, then you will get just IPX2 certification in the Buds 2, whereas in the Buds Pro you will get IPX7 certification. So that would make a lot more sense if you're thinking to take your TWS for workout and all, and if you sweat a lot, then I guess Buds 2 is not a very right option. So guys, if you are thinking to buy this for doing workouts and all, then you shouldn't. Well, talking about connectivity, then you can connect these buds with your phones through Galaxy wearable application, and if you have a Samsung device, then you just have to open the lid and you will see a pop-up in your Galaxy device from where you can straight away connect your buds to your Samsung devices. And here you will get Bluetooth 5.2 as compared to the Bluetooth 5.0 of Buds Pro, so that's advantage because it's latest, so that's why you get Bluetooth 5.2 here. Well, here you will get one more very cool feature, which is the auto switch feature, but unfortunately that only works with Samsung's ecosystem, like across the Samsung devices. But what is this feature? So let's suppose that you are watching a movie into your Galaxy tab and you have to now pick up a call in your phone, so you can instantly switch from your tab to your phone to pick up the call. So that's how the auto switch feature works. So it's very cool, but again it's only for the Samsung devices. Now you will get very standard touch features, which was same in the original Galaxy Buds and the Buds Plus as well, like single tap for play and pause, and also for answering and for ending the calls, and then double tap to skip the track and triple tap to reverse back to the previous track. And if you press and hold your right ear or left ear, then you can switch from ambient sound to active noise cancellation. Now what is active noise cancellation? Then it will block the noise of your environment. Now what is ambient sound? Then it's just the opposite of ANC. It will let you hear the sound of environment while listening your music as well. So both works absolutely fine. Now talking about ANC, which is more important here from an audiophile perspective, then definitely it's good. I guess according to TWS standards it's fine, but definitely it will not block everything. You can still hear a lot of things, like if you have a high speed fan, then you can easily hear that. But yeah, if you are listening music at 80 to 90% volume, then you will not hear a lot of things for sure. Well, there are more ambient sound settings where you can exactly set that what amount of sound you want to hear from environment. You can set that intensity of that ambient sound. Now guys, if we talk about mics, then you will get total of 3 mics, but there is no windshield technology here, but overall the mic quality is good. Now let me show you the sample. Well, talking about more features, then you will get Smart Things Find in the Galaxy wearable application, in which if you turned on that feature, then your earbuds will automatically beep. Like if you lost your earbuds, then you can find them through the sound. It will automatically start making sound. Now the sound is like good enough, like if you just have to find it in your room, then it's good. But if the distance is too far, then you can't hear the sound, but you can track them on the map as well. If you lost one earbud here and one in the different room, then you can see that on the map, which is really cool to find your buds. But the most important thing, like if you talk about the sound quality of these buds, then they are very balanced, I can say. But it's definitely not for bass lovers, because the highs and mids are good when you listen the music at 70 to 80% volume, which is actually ideal to listen at 70 to 80%. But if you want to listen music at 100% volume, then this earbuds are not good, because especially the vocals, and as I mentioned, the highs and mids, especially in a very energetic songs, you will feel like it's piercing into your ears. So that is not a very great experience. But at 70-80% volume, for an average listener, I can say that it's very good. The overall sound quality is good, but again, like the instruments, the lows are good, the sound of instruments is also clear and good. It doesn't hurts your ear or something like that, but the vocals sometimes pierce into your ears. That's the only thing which I noticed. But maybe I just received an update, the software update in this buds as well, in my Galaxy wearable application. So maybe they will fix that in upcoming updates, who knows. But as of now, the music quality is still good. I can approve that. Now guys, if we talk about the conclusion, so as I already told you, like if your budget is 15,000-16,000 rupees, and if you want a Samsung TWS, then definitely go with the Samsung Galaxy Buds Pro. But if your budget doesn't allow you to go that far, and if you want a 10,000-12,000 rupee earbuds, then the Galaxy Buds 2 is an excellent choice for you. You can definitely buy this. So yeah, that's it from today's video. I hope you guys liked it. If you, then definitely smash the like button and share this video with your friends. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I will see you very soon in my next video. Until then, bye bye, take care.